doesn't have time to do pharmacology on every single drug you give him. So he has to take that drug rep's word and the FDA's word that it's good, see? So he starts
pull up.
You doing that, Ethan?
Do the legs too. Not pull them, but rotate them. You know, bicycle. Exercise them. Piper, come here and lay down. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Like that.
You can get happy now.
What made him start crying today?
Get happy.
Changed his diaper and decided to put his pajamas on him.
Oh.
I changed and moved him.
You stick that tongue out there, Buzzer. But one good thing I can say that the drug companies do, they pay for a lot of people's medications that can't afford it. They give it for free. Mike's on an epilepsy medication. That is like, well, with the newest dosage, about $900 a month. And he winds up paying about $100 a month. And they cover the rest of it. The drug manufacturer does, which is really, I mean, they do you see a lot more of that than you ever did before, and that's good, you know. Yeah, so I mean, it gets to be a, you know, just a, where do you start chopping, you know?
Ethan.
And with the federal government, you know, where do you start chopping there? I mean, you can't say, okay, the federal government is to do nothing but defend the nation. No, that means all we do is fund an army. That means our Social Security, our highway system, all that goes down the toilet. No, can't do that. So there's certain
Social Security can be state funded.
No, it can't.
Why not?
Because people in Montana would starve to death. Because there ain't enough people in Montana. And that's where you get into the problem, like with education. There's so much money that comes from the federal government back equally to states that have lower populations and lower tax bases. So you take a state the size of Rhode Island. That's a small state. Doesn't have an overly high population. If they had to rely on the taxes to provide the same education as they do here in Alabama,
What?
taxes would be incredible. Because they have fewer
His
people
point to
paying.
make.
Fewer people paying means each one pays a ton more, you know. Their taxes would be 3 times what ours are. Now, I don't think there should be any federal mandates as far as you have to do this or we don't give you money for student lunches.
You can do it on your own, man.
When he stops, he pouts.
Oh.
What you do there? Doing it now.
How do you unspoil them?
You don't.
Nope, once you spoil them, that's it.
They're not
You know.
spoiled. They get what they need.
Well, he might be a little spoiled with the sleeping in the bed.
That's convenient.
But that's more of a habit than spoiled. I mean, it's more of a, that's just kind of routine he got into. You can get him back out of it.